This video is intended to provide an impartial demonstration of the app's features and is not sponsored or endorsed by the app developers. Any opinions expressed are exclusively those of the presenter.
Go to your Play Store. Here in the Play Store search bar, type Wink and search. When you see the Wink app, install it to your device. After installing Wink app, open any installed browser in your device. And the search bar, write stylish movie color palette and search. After search you will see a lot of color palettes. Select the one you like and then download that color palette image to your phone. Now go to the Wink app and follow my steps. Select the image you want to edit now. Here now, select the color palette image. You can see before and after. From here, if you want to apply on another image, then select that image from here. If you like your image and want to save to your gallery, then touch to save option on the upper right.